Welcome to the video tutorial about how to prepare the parcel boundary drawing in ESurvey Civil Tools. In this help topic, all the commands in relation to preparing the parcel boundary drawing are explained. There are multiple auto-lisp commands which will help you prepare this data. To start with, you need to have the base map which has all survey boundaries defined. To make the program work, you need to place AutoCAD entities in specific layers. Using a set of Lisp commands shown in the table, you can prepare the required data easily. First, you should keep all survey boundaries in vSurvey layer and survey numbers in VS number layer. Each survey boundary should have a unique number, and the survey number details should be available in ROR data. To create required layers for parcel module, you should use LSAY command. You can also access this option from the ESurvey Civil Tools menu by selecting Parcel and then, in Preparation, click Layer Specification for Parcel LSAY. This will display information about each layer which has to be created. Run HPLY command. This is a quality check command. Hatch polygons to find boundaries yet to be created as required by parcel module. Run SMM command to select maximum and minimum value from selected elevation text. Run MSN to find missing and repeating survey numbers. Run AVSB to attach survey number to survey boundary. Before you run this command, each survey boundary should have one survey number and survey boundaries to be saved in vSurvey layer and survey number to be saved in VS number layer. Run ATV to attach village name to all survey boundary belonging to that village. Run ATV command and select survey boundaries and enter village name which all selected survey boundaries belong to. Then run RDV command to read attached information, that is survey number and village name. Run FEVS to find errors in survey boundaries. FEVS command will mark errors if found. It will either hatch or put a circle in survey boundary when errors like survey boundary is not closed, or when there is no survey number within survey boundary, or there are more survey numbers in one survey boundary. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, you will learn how to export drawing data to Civil Tools interface.